how to change the language on HBO Max on your television. So I'll show you two ways on how to go and change the language. Now the first method is if you want to change the language of a program or a film, then what you need to do is start playing the movie that you want to change the language of. Once the movie's playing, you can press the upwards arrow on your TV remote control, and then you can use the up and the right arrow key to come over to audio in the bottom right hand side. And this is where you can change the language. So on the left hand side, you can change the audio language so it plays in another language. Now just bear in mind that not all languages will be available. This just depends on the film or the program you're watching. You can also change the subtitles on the right hand side. And once again, the options here depend on the movie that you're watching. Now if you want to change the entire language on HBO Max, then what you can do is head back over to the HBO Max home screen, scroll over on the left hand side, and then click on your profile name at the very top of this screen. Now once you're on the profile selector, go and select the profile that you want to change the language of. You can then scroll down and click on the pencil icon next to this. Now scroll down to display language and click on this. And then from here you can go and change which language the app is displayed in.